Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be explaining to you on how you can change your pickup person in the Target app. It's really easy and simple. So what you're going to be doing, guys, of course, first things first, open up the Target app, okay? Launch that on your mobile device, and then you're going to navigate to orders, okay? Go to the orders section, which you'll typically find under your account profile or in the main navigation menu. Then you just want to select the order find and select the order that you actually wish to update. Then you want to click on modify pickup details. So you'll find an option that says edit pickup person. You want to click on this option right here, and you want to enter the new details of the person who will be picking up the order. This typically includes things like their name and contact information. And then, of course, guys, you want to make sure you save the changes to actually update that into the system. So it's literally that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helps you out. And if it does, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.